Hey, what's up everyone?
Welcome back to our channel.
As you can see, we are all set for the Christmas.
So for today's video, we are going to show you how we made this beautiful Christmas crib from scratch. So let's get on with the video.
So this year we decided to do something different than the last year. Instead of using statues, we have used papers. This lamp is created by Rachel, all handmade.
Also, this crib is mounted on the wall, so it doesn't take up much space, and all of these decorations, mini stuffs that you see here, it's all natural, guys. We actually went out and collected it from the outside. It's all nature, right here.
Yeah, that's right. This is the original stone. It's attached on this board.
Can you guys guess how much this entire crib cost us?
It's under $10. Can you guys believe it?
Yeah, it's true. Look, all of this background imaging, it's all printouts. And these lights, they are from the dollar store. And all of these are the things we just went out on a sunny day and we just got it all by ourselves.
Yes. And these are the grass that we got it from outside. We went to some park and we cut off some grass from there.
And the lights were from the last year.
So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna show you how this is all made from scratch.
So we started with a rough sketch to give us an idea of the design of the crib.
Now let's get started with the construction of this crib. So we got this huge cardboard which was lying around and we decided to use this in our project. As this crib will be mounted on a wall, we want the roof of the crib to be slanted at the front. In order to achieve this, the back panel of the crib should be bigger than the front panel by an inch or two.
Now I'm drawing the outline for viewing the interior of the crib.
We have cut out the front part of the crib and the roof. Now we just have to glue it up all together. So this is how it looks like. All the pieces are nicely glued up. You see here I have attached a L-shaped bracket just to give an extra support. You can get this bracket for free from any hardware stores. As you can see in the back of this crib, I have made a small hole to mount this crib onto the wall. So let's mount this crib onto the wall and see how it holds. There is no nail popping out from this crib, so it looks neat.
So here I've used some green masking tape to cover up all the mess inside, and also this acts as an extra binding. Now to give the rustic stable look, we decided to cover the entire crib with this brick wall printout. And I think it turned out pretty good. We need to give some lighting, so we are going to use this LED strip and attach it all around the inside trim of this crib.
As you can see, there is no LED strip seen from outside. So this is how it looks like from inside. And this is how it looks in dark.
Now let's move on to the roof of the crib. To give the stable appearance, we are making a few bundles of this grass and we will be stacking them on the roof. It doesn't have to be neat, we can always trim them in the end.
We have glued up some straws on the roof. This will help in stacking the grass bundles.
So these are the straws.
So we are done with stacking up our roof, and now I'm trimming the excess at the back of the crib. These are some tree barks that I found outside and thought of adding these as well to give more structure. Also, we are adding few stones to give a more three-dimensional look. I'm just trying to see the placement, and after that we will be gluing them up. I forgot how it looks. Nope, it wasn't like that.
Also keep in mind the glue will take some time to dry. We gave around 1 or 2 days for the glue to completely dry. Alright, so we have mounted this thing on this wall. It looks so pretty. So we connected the LED. Now we'll see how its light is turned on.
We've added a window, which is also a printout, and this gives the illusion that you can see the sky and the brilliant star that leads the three wise men to our baby Jesus.
Ooh, look at that. It looks like the window is actually there. So if you go closer, you will see the LED lights. Now we'll be making a miniature lamp. For this, we will be taking apart the bulb portion from this LED candle light.
Here I'm using Play-Doh to create the miniature lantern model. You can completely omit this step, we just wanted to add more elements to our crib. So these are the images that we will be using for our statues. I'm gluing up some cardboard pieces to the back of the pictures so as to make them stand.
To attach the angel at the front, I have made a Z-shaped bracket that I'll be gluing up to the top of this crib.
Here I'm just checking the placements for these cutouts, and after that I will be gluing them to the floor.
Okay, finally we decided to place all the statues. It looks like this. We glued it up to the base. Everyone is standing. If you see this side, it doesn't look bad. You see from this side, it doesn't look that bad. Jesus is glowing nicely. Baby Jesus.
So this is the final setting, and now it's time to add some final touches. We are adding some fairy lights. Also, I used this rock to cover up the battery, and I'm gonna paint the thermocol piece as well. Now obviously we have to cover up this floor, so for that we are using this sand. This we collected from the beach.
Also, we glued 2 straws in the front of the window to get some 3D effect.
And that's it. This is the final look, and we are really happy with how it turned out.
This is a very sturdy structure, so if you make it once, you can reuse this next time as well.
Also, since it is wall mounted, there is no mess and it's totally apartment and renter friendly. And of course, you have total control over customization. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Also, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you have any ideas, please do comment below. So take care. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.